Díomh agus fáilte go grammar beag, bite-sized Irish grammar videos for primary school pupils.
So after 13 videos, we've got a fairly basic understanding of some of the Irish grammar concepts. But now, Conish Screamum, Albert, how do I write a sentence using that knowledge? So just remember, in English, the subject comes first, followed by the verb, i.e. the dog ate. In Irish, we reverse that, so it would be di an madra. The bríthe comes first and the subject second. So if we just want to look here, here's just a quick recap of the foranimica, the pronouns. So, English sentences are subject, verb, object, time. For example, the teacher bought a coat yesterday. Liam will drink wine at the weekend. You play football every Wednesday. Áfach le haghaidh Albertí Gaeilge for Irish sentences, we swap the bríthe and the aber. The verb and subject are swapped. So, bríthe, aber, rud, am. Verb, subject, object, time. Ceannaigh an múntóir cóta inné. Olthaí Liam féin ag an deireadh seachtaine. Imríonn tú pell gach céadaoin. So, in English, the adjective, which is a describing word, usually comes before the object. For example, red hat. The adjective is red and the hat is the object. In Gaeilge, hagan an adject tar éis an rud. The adjective comes after the item. So red hat would be hata dearg in Gaeilge. So if we have a look at the English sentences, so it's subject, verb, adjective, object, and time. The teacher bought a new coat yesterday. Liam will drink red wine at the weekend, and you play Gaelic football every Wednesday. Áfach le haghaidh Albertí Gaeilge for Irish sentences. Again, we swap the bríthe and the aber. We swap the verb and subject, agus an rud agus adject, the object and the adjective, and then am at the end. So bríthe, ábhar, rud, adject, am. Ceannaigh an múntóir cóta nua inné. Olthaí Liam féin dearg ag an deireadh seachtaine. Imríonn tú pell gaelach gach céadaoin.
Agus sin é.